You torture yourself for hours on the treadmill, you eat only salad, and yet the belly fat simply won't go away. You feel tired, frustrated, and you wonder what you're doing wrong. I'm going to tell you a secret. You're probably not doing anything wrong. You're just fighting the wrong enemies, because 99% of people who want to lose belly fat forget the two real culprits that work behind the scenes. And no, they're not the calories from chocolate cake. Welcome to your new path, the path to a flat belly without unnecessary deprivation. Today we discover why your body refuses to lose belly fat and how you transform it into your ally. Belly fat, particularly deep visceral fat, is much more than just an aesthetic problem. It's an active organ that causes inflammation and increases the risk of diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart problems. But the good news is that you can win this battle, but not by doing even more cardio or eating even less, but with knowledge. Let's start with the first secret saboteur of your success: insulin. Imagine insulin as a nightclub bouncer. When sugar enters your bloodstream, for example from bread, pasta, or a sugary drink, your body releases insulin. Insulin knocks on the door of your cells and says, "Hey, here's some energy, please take it." That's initially a good thing. But if you constantly eat sugar and things rich in carbs, your body is practically screaming for insulin all the time. Your cells eventually become deaf to these constant knocks. They become insulin resistant. Insulin has to shout louder and louder. Its level stays permanently elevated. And what does a high insulin level do? It sends your body one very clear signal: store fat, don't burn fat. And what's the preferred storage location for this fat? Exactly, your belly. Your nice bowl of muesli in the morning, that's an insulin spike. The little snack during the day, an insulin spike. Apple juice, a bomb of pure sugar, and yes, an insulin spike. You keep your body in permanent fat storage mode. The solution? Give the bouncer a break. The second saboteur is even more insidious: cortisol, the stress hormone. In prehistoric times, cortisol was vital for survival. It gave us energy when a saber-toothed tiger attacked us. Today, our saber-toothed tigers are the boss. Meetings, traffic jams, news feeds. Your body is in a constant state of alert. And what does it do in this state? It clings to energy reserves because it thinks it needs them for the next crisis, and it stores them where they're quickly available at your belly. That's why it's called a stress belly. Poor sleep, constant worries, too much coffee, all of this increases your cortisol and builds you a nice life preserver. Okay, now we know the enemies. How do we defeat them? Not with a diet, but with a strategy. Strategy number 1, control your insulin. It's easier than you think. The golden rule for every meal is as follows: protein first, then vegetables and healthy fats, and only at the very end, if you eat any, a small portion of complex carbs. Start your lunch with chicken, not potatoes. Eat your eggs first, then whole grain bread. Why? Proteins and fats raise blood sugar much more slowly. Insulin stays calm, your body in fat burning mode. My absolute secret tip remains apple cider vinegar. 1 to 2 teaspoons in a glass of water before your meal can drastically reduce the insulin response to food. It's like you're telling your body, don't panic, everything is under control. Strategy number 2, diffuse cortisol. You can't fire your boss, but you can change your reaction. Sleep is non-negotiable here. 7 to 8 hours per night is the most important tool against belly fat. No screens 1 hour before bed. An evening walk, even if it's just 10 minutes. Breathe deeply, 5 seconds in, 7 seconds out. Do this a few times a day. This signals to your nervous system the saber-toothed tiger is gone. You can relax. And exercise? Forget about long, monotonous jogging sessions. That can even increase your cortisol. What you need is short, intense muscle training. Why? Because muscles are your greatest allies. They're like hungry furnaces that burn sugar. The more muscle mass you have, the better your body can process sugar without needing a lot of insulin. Squats, push-ups, rows, activate the big muscle groups. Twice, maybe 3 times 20 minutes a week. That's enough. You don't need to become a bodybuilder. You just need to show your muscles that you need them. That's 1,000 times more effective than 100 sit-ups. Now let's talk about food. It's not about deprivation, it's about swaps. Swap sugary yogurt for Greek yogurt with some berries. Swap toast for scrambled eggs with spinach. Swap pasta for zucchini noodles with a good bolognese. This is real food. Things that don't have a long list of ingredients. Vegetables of all colors, good sources of protein like fish, eggs, chicken, and legumes. Good fats from avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These foods satisfy you, stabilize your blood sugar, and give your hormones what they need to work for you, not against you, and be careful with sugar-free products. Sweeteners can make your brain think sugar is coming. Your body will then ask for even more sugar, but it won't come. The result? Even more sugar cravings, a vicious cycle. What's really holding you back is often not hunger, but habit. You grab the cookie because it's 3 in the afternoon and you always do that. Break this habit. When you crave something sweet, ask yourself, am I really hungry or am I just bored, stressed? Drink a big glass of water and wait 10 minutes. In most cases, the feeling will have disappeared. Don't get me wrong, it doesn't happen overnight. You spent years creating this hormonal imbalance. Give your body a few weeks to adapt. There will be days when it's hard. That's okay. It's not about perfection, it's about consistency. One bad meal doesn't make you fat, just like one good meal doesn't make you thin. It's the sum of your decisions. Imagine waking up in the morning and feeling full of energy, not bloated. Imagine being able to climb the stairs without being out of breath. Imagine looking in the mirror and not only seeing a flatter belly, but a healthier and stronger person. That's the goal. So, forget about counting calories. Focus on managing your hormones. Control your insulin with the right order at meals and smart foods. Reduce your cortisol through better sleep and stress management. Build muscle through short training. That's the system. That's the secret that most don't know. You're not doomed to struggle with your belly fat forever. You now have the tools to win this battle. If this video has opened your eyes, then like the video and share it with someone who has also tried lots of things, and subscribe to the channel for more truths that really help you, because it's not about living less, but about living smarter.